Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
Great, sir.
You're doing wonderful, right?
Yes, sir.
Is everybody ready for today's science lesson, right?
Yes,
Ready for
sir.
science lesson? Okay. So to introduce our topic for today, we're gonna do a little game, right?
Okay, sir.
Play a little guessing game. What type of game?
A guessing game.
Guessing game, right? So, can you tell me what is this?
A tree. A tree.
It's a tree. And what do you get from a tree?
Fruits
get
and wood.
You can get fruits, you can get wood,
Can get sticks.
sticks, you can get wood to make your bed, wood or whatever, right? What about this?
A sun.
This sun. And what do you get from the sun?
Sunlight
You get sunlight and
heat.
you get heat, right? To dry your clothes. So what is this? This animals. What type of animals you see at the top?
Chicken and cow.
Chicken and a cow. What do you get from chicken?
Eggs.
Eggs and meat. Nice. What about a cow?
Milk.
Milk and beef, right? You get your
Sir,
nice
does it
meat.
make cheese?
Yeah, from the milk. Yeah. Correct. Oh, copy. What about this?
A river. No, water.
It is
Water.
water. What do you use water for?
Drinking.
You can use it drinking,
Bathing.
bathing,
Cooking.
cooking,
Cleaning.
cleaning, like your housewife, all those nice things, right? Good. Now, what do all these pictures have in common?
You can get them outside.
You can get them outside. Now, what do you call things like that are found outside?
It's natural. No.
Sure. What do you call them?
Natural things.
Yeah, they're natural, right? All these things are natural. So yes, they are resources, right? And these are natural resources, right? They are natural, meaning man didn't make them, right? They came to be, right? Good. Good. So our topic for today is going to be natural resources, right? So by the end of this lesson, right, you're going to understand what are natural resources, and you're gonna understand renewable and non-renewable resources, right? You can classify it, right? Good. Can everybody see on the board?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I have a little teaching aid for you, right? And it has the definition of natural resources. So you're gonna read it for me, right?
Natural
Right, we do it together.
Natural resources are
The
things
things.
we get from nature.
Good. So natural resources are things that we get from the outside, right? You get it from nature, right? Good. So I want you to name these pictures, right? They are
Water, sunlight, sand,
minerals,
minerals, livestock,
crops, right? And there are many more, right? Now we got there. There are two types of there are two types of natural resources, right? They are renewable.
and non-renewable.
Very good, children. Make sure you know this thing. They are renewable and non-renewable. Why do you think it's renewable?
Because we can use them.
We can get them back, right? We can
If you
renew
use
it.
the sunlight yesterday, you can get it back today.
Yes, very good, children. Now, and they're non-renewable. What do you think is non-renewable?
You can't get
You
it back.
can't get it back, right? Simple as that, right? It's very simple, right? We're gonna classify them, right? You're gonna tell me whether it's renewable or non-renewable, right? Good. So we have water. Is water renewable or non-renewable? Can it finish or not?
No, it can't finish. So if it's renewable,
It is renewable, right? Good. We can use it.
back.
Yeah, we can use it back. Can use it over and over again and won't finish, right? What about sunlight?
We can use it back.
Can we use it back?
Yes.
Yes, right? We can get back all the energy gets from the sun. Good. What about sand?
No. Yes.
What do you think?
Yes.
Is it renewable or non-renewable?
Non-renewable.
Very good. It is
Non-renewable.
Non-renewable, good. Because you can use up all the sand, right? You can keep making your concrete house and something sand run off, right? What about minerals, things like diamond, gold, etc.?
No.
Can't get the back, right? Some people make a nice little ring, nice little earring. You think it will just come back again?
No. So it's a non-renewable.
Very good, non-renewable. What about livestock?
Renewable.
It is?
Renewable.
How? Tell me why.
Because you have a chicken
Uh-huh.
and it lays egg and you eat it like you cook it.
Uh-huh.
Fried
You eat it.
chicken.
What the chicken will do? It will?
Hatch and blow up.
Yeah, and this chicken will lay another egg, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Because when the bigger one die, the smaller one do the same.
Good. So it's continue the process, right? Crops, plants, coconut tree.
We will go back.
They will grow back and cut the coconut and the coconut will come back in a few weeks, right?
You have to let the coconut get
Sorry.
brown first so it can grow back.
Okay, I should know, right? What about fuels, fossil fuels like gasoline,
No.
coal? Can you get it back?
No,
If
sir.
you use it all, right, you're done. Right?
Sir.
Good. So that's a couple we're gonna be looking at. You have more we can look at, but you can look at your own time, right? Good. So let's see if you were correct, right? So this one is
Water.
no the if it's renewable or non-renewable.
Renewable.
Renewable,
Renewable. 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 Non-renewable. Non-renewable. Non-renewable.
good. Let's see if you're correct, right? Let's see. You're gonna tell me if you're correct, right?
Oh, we are correct.
Are we correct?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
What's this word?
Renewable. Non-renewable.
Good. So everything on this side here is renewable resources, right? And this side is
Non-renewable.
non-renewable. Now I want each of you, but you're gonna tell me. Well, good. So now the teaching is out of the way, right? Each of you are gonna list one renewable thing and one non-renewable thing, right? Resources, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So should we right? Starting with renewable.
But when a turtle is alive, right? And it lays an egg, and the turtle die, the egg will hatch.
Good. So it keep repeating the process, right? You can get egg, turtle egg, you can get hatch more turtles, right? And what's a non-renewable one now?
Like the gas, what do you use to drive motor?
Very good. That's fossil fuels, right? Very good. Come on. Give him a little clap, right? Come. Come with two dogs. Nice. Now, you give me renewable and then non-renewable. Let's hear you.
A coconut tree. You take down coconuts and you mix the coconut.
Very good. And that is renewable resources and non-renewable.
Sun.
Very good. You can use up all the sun, right? Give me a little clap. Good. Happy there, come. Give the clap, girl. Good. Let's have renewable first.
A cow.
A cow.
When it gives birth to little cows, and if the cow dies, it will get
Can get more cows. Very good. And what's a non-renewable resource now?
gems.
Very good. Gems, right? Corals and so on, right?
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Yes, Samuel, right? So can you give me one renewable resource?
Yeah.
What's that? Tell me.
If you drink water, the water can go.
Very good. And what's a non-renewable resource now?
Sun.
Very good. Sam, you already had Samuel, right? But good try. I'll give Samuel a little clap. Very good, all of you, right? Right, Samuel? Right. Kapulia? Good. So now we're gonna do a little exercise, right? A little bit of worksheet, right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna go get it for you now. Come on the front. Good. So is everybody ready for the worksheets?
Yes,
So
sir.
have the fun worksheets, right? We're gonna be matching and we're gonna be writing the names, right? Good. So Shivnarayan and Sami, what I want you to do, right? You're gonna take the picture, you see how the picture at the top, and you're gonna place them under renewable or non-renewable. You're gonna group them. I'm gonna paste them. Right? I'm gonna provide you with the paste skills. I want Rohin and Kathleen to do is to write whether the resource is renewable or non-renewable, right? For example, the sun energy is renewable. So you're gonna write renewable. The spellings at the top if you're not sure, right? Good. So I can help you.
Is this full mineral?
Good. So is everybody finished?
Yes, sir.
Can I have the worksheets? Thank you. Good. So I have worksheets here, right? Let's go through them, right? Good. So this is Kathleen and moving activity, right? So let's check if they're correct. So we have here then. What's that?
Renewable.
No, what's the picture?
The sun?
The sun, is it renewable or non-renewable?
Yes. It's renewable.
Very good. So that's correct. What about the goal?
A gold bar is non-renewable.
It's non-renewable. What about the
The
water?
water is renewable and
And the oil is
it's non-renewable.
very good. So they both have the same thing, so they are correct, right? Good. What about Sammy's and children? Let's see, they have the same thing, right? So they have renewable resource, they have water, and they have the sun. Are they correct?
Yes.
They are correct, right? What? And now the non-renewable, they have oil and coal, right? The coal that we put in the the grill and so, right? Good. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes.
Good, good. So give yourself a little clap on. Nice. Good. So all did very, very well for the work, right?
Every time we have what we got stuff this year.
Good, very good, right? Nice. So what do we learn today again? We learned about
Renewable and non-renewable.
and what is the big topic?
Natural resources.
Natural resources, right? Natural resources are the things that What? we did not need to get from
The
the earth, nature, right? Good. What are renewable resources?
Renewable resources. Renewable resources are things
What?
that always come
Very good. Are things that always come back, right, Ruben?
Yeah.
What are non-renewable now?
things that cannot come.
Things that we cannot get back, right?
Things
Nice.
can never come back.
Good. Give me one quick example of renewable. Anybody?
Animal, water,
Animals, water, right? All nice things. What about non-renewable?
sand and gems,
Sand and gems. Very good, right?
oil and coal.
And now for your homework, right? Right? Very simple things, right? So, what I want you to do tonight, right, is go home and you're gonna bring me back a natural resource, right? Any natural resource. Yeah, right? It could be renewable, it could be non-renewable. You can bring a little piece of wood, a little tree,
A huge tree.
a little tree. You can bring some water. If you can bring a piece of sun, can you bring the sun?
No, sorry, we always bring renewable or water from our water bottle.
Well, good. We'll bring you water tomorrow, alright?
Bring